Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a video for the TASSIMO pods. So earlier we unboxed the TASSIMO My Way 2 machine, so if you've not seen that video you'll find it on my channel. This is the TASSIMO COSTA coffee pods. So I bought these at the cash and carry. There 5 packs with 40 drinks. So I'm just going to unbox it to see what it looks like. So I've unboxed the first box, and there's what you get. It's basically what you would find in the shops. So it's a TASSIMO Costa latte. So I've got 5 of them in there, and this is the coffee that I'm going to be using in my coffee machine. So I've got another one which I'm using. So if you don't like coffee, I've also got hot chocolate. So this is me unboxed the second box, so let me show you what's in here. This is a hot chocolate, so I've got it's Cadbury's TASSIMO. So again, you'll get these in the shops. I bought them at the cash and carry as a box of 5, a big pack of 5. So that's all the pods. So the next video we're going to be testing the machine out with the pods in it. So again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you have watched it and like it. Thanks a lot guys. See you later. Take care. Bye bye.